Meaning of gunner.
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 Gunner. The word gunner has several meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. In a military sense, a gunner is someone who operates heavy artillery or other large weapons systems. In a sports context, a gunner is a player who is skilled at making long-range shots, particularly in basketball or football. Additionally, gunner can be used to describe someone who aggressively pursues their goals, often at the expense of others. This type of gunner is typically seen in academic or professional settings, where individuals may be competing for prestigious positions or awards. Overall, the term gunner suggests a focus on success and achievement, whether through physical prowess, strategic thinking, or sheer determination.